हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सब लोग? मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना। सो गाइस, आज की जो ये ब्लॉग है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है बिकॉज़ हम जिस टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, वो बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है। So guys, what I was talking about, that our blood has three type of cells, that is red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. So this RBC, that is the red blood cells, for this RBC we need hemoglobin, and for that we need iron in our body. For there are some enzymes which also need zinc. So guys, we need zinc, iron, and proteins in our body for the formation of this RBC, that is red blood cells. For the formation of WBC, that is white blood cells, there are various shape and sizes of WBC. There are further classification of WBC. So they are of irregular shape and size, and it has nucleus. But whereas in cases of RBC, we will not find any kind of nucleus. So RBC, what it does, it's for the transportation, mainly for the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide, and also transportation of various hormones and other components, um, and also helps in the excretion of toxins from the body. So that's the role of red blood cells. Now, what's the role of WBC, that is white blood cells? So guys, white blood cells is the defense cells. So it is the defense. It's like army of a country. Guys, um, army of the body is WBC, that is white blood cells. So white blood cells have further cells like monocyte, eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils. So these are the cells which are of irregular shape and size. So this is the platelets. What it does, it's help in the formation of clot. When you get a cut, you get a, you see, guys, for this WBC, for the formation of WBC, you need zinc. So you need to consume zinc rich food. Zinc rich food are like white sesame seed, then there are lentils which you need to consume. It's like masoor dal, moong dal, and then uh, you have access to pumpkin seed. You can consume pumpkin seed also for the formation of WBC. I know, definitely you might be aware of the structure of this blood, that is RBC, WBC, and platelets. So what's new in this? So the new is that blood helps in the excretion of the toxins. So yes, whenever you are having an infection, it's after the skin layer, the layer which is in contamination with the bacteria is your blood. So you need to purify your blood for the excretion of the substances from your body. The process of excretion of toxins out of your body is equally important in treating any kind of acne related infection or any kind of infection. It is mandatory for a good uh, bowel. Then there are chirata, triphala, which are really very good for excretion. And there are a lot of herbal teas, where you give holy basils, then turmeric, ginger. These are really good for the betterment of the skin, and also helps in the excretion of toxins out of the body. And guys, you need to consume lot of water. It's too much summer in many parts of India, and it's raining in some parts, few parts of India, and rest are in the hot, humid environment. You need to consume lot of pure, um, best quality water. You know, in India, we don't have access to good quality of water, so there are few people or few, population who have purifier, water purifier in their home, and there are a lot of people who don't have access to purifier and water purifier and good mineral water. So let's say if you don't have access to fresh water, then definitely you just boil the tap water, just boil it, and then you consume after it get cooled down. But please consume the fresh water only. The other thing which I wanted to say you is, use calamine. It's a pink solution. It's a calamine lotion. It reduces the itchiness. You know, when you have a breakout, you are like itching, and it also give a pink glow to your face. Along with that, it also reduces the blemishes and give a good skin tone to your skin. So guys, take salt water rinse, don't include your hair. It's also good for removing bacteria from your foot and hands. So yes, salt water rinse. It should be warm salt water. For this, you need to consume salt water. Why I'm saying salt water? Because it has some electrolyte that balances the electrolytes of the kidney, so that it helps in the excretion process, and also get a help of blood purifier. Either it's in a Ayurvedic formula, you will get lot of blood purifier. Some are like Safi, and other is like Dabur. For Dabur, we have Khadi Rista. So I hope this really helps. So guys, tata, bye bye, see you. मिलते हैं आपके साथ next vlog में. Till that, please watch, subscribe, and do like, share to my channel. Bye bye.